Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. This is a video test. Stock camera taking on the GCam APK on my OP7 Pro. Right now shooting this part of the video in 1080p 30 frames per second with the stock camera from the rear of my OnePlus 7 Pro. Optical image stabilization. Yep, it's there. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. And then we're going to switch over to the GCam. You requested it, you got it. If you haven't checked out the slideshow with the stock camera taking on the GCam, go check out that video. A lot of you wanted to see it, so I did it. It's got some thumbs down. I don't know why. In my opinion, it's a nice looking slideshow. The picture quality is really, really great. Whether you're looking at the pictures from the stock camera or the GCam, both doing good in their own right. A couple pictures from the GCam look a little better than the OP7 Pro, but for the most part, in my opinion, the OP7 Pro stock camera takes it. But again, that's just how I see it. You don't have my eyeballs, and I don't have your eyeballs. All right, we're going to switch over to the GCam 1080p 30 frames per second. Again, we do have optical image stabilization. Video is in the dark in a very low light situation. A lot of you might not be shooting this type of video, but if you do, this is what you're going to get. It helps to have a little bit of light source. We got some street lights, some building lights, and that helps. It really does. All right, GCam coming up. We are now in 1080p 30 frames per second with the GCam. Let me know how everything looks. OIS, we have it. What's going on? But you're going to let me know down below how everything looks. Let me know if you see anything on the negative and what that is. Appreciate you checking out this video test with my OP7 Pro stock camera taking on the GCam. This part of the video, GCam 1080p 30 frames per second. Yeah, man, if you haven't checked out that slideshow, please go check it out. I actually enjoyed watching my own slideshow. Hey man, I put a lot of time into creating this content. Why wouldn't I want to enjoy my own content? Right? There's nothing wrong with that, right? Oh, this device, this smartphone, it's got to be my favorite smartphone right now. Right now, with what I have in the house. In my little YouTube studio where all my other smartphones are. It's got to be my favorite. Now, of all time, I don't know. Obviously, smartphones have gotten better over time, but at the point in time of bringing in a smartphone, whether it was in 2015, 16, 17, at that point in time, whatever I brought in, I was having a lot of fun with for what we had at that point in time. For what we have right now, the OP7 Pro is killing it for me, and I'm digging it, and I'm loving it. It's my favorite right now. It's my favorite smartphone. You know what I mean. Anyway, video test done. Stock camera, taking on the GCam on my OP7 Pro. You let me know. God bless. Peace. I am out.